Alright, now we're going to do the first problem from the third ACSL quiz in 2014-2015. So, to simplify Boolean algebra expressions, you always want to make sure you know your De Morgan rules and your special Boolean algebra rules. If you don't know them, go back to Charlie's first video and check them out and memorize them before the quiz. So there are two places where we can use De Morgan's rule to simplify this expression, and then from there we'll do some algebra and multiply out to get our final answer. So we're first going to use De Morgan here and here, and I'll rewrite the whole expression so we can get a clean version of the simplified expression. So as we know, not A plus B is the same thing as not A times not B. So we're going to apply that here, and we get not A times not B times B plus C, and then the same thing here, not A times not C times A not B plus BC. All right, so then again we can simplify here and here because two nots cancel each other out, and that leaves us with just A and just C. So again, let's rewrite, and we get A not B times B plus C times not A C times A B not plus B C. Great. From here, you can just multiply out. I always separate into two groups rather. So I'm just going to take these first two parentheses and multiply them out, and then multiply out the second grouping of parentheses. So the first grouping, these two terms, will give you A B naught B plus A B naught C, and that's full grouping. And then this second grouping, so these two sets of parentheses are going to give you A naught A B naught C plus A naught B C. All right, so now let's simplify these ones in the parentheses. And we get here, you know, it can't be both B and not B, so this term is 0. And it can't be both A and not A, so this term here is also 0. So now we get here, and we have A not B C and not A B C. Now, even without multiplying these two out, you can see you're going to get a product that has both A here and not A here, which can never be true. So you can multiply out and see what you get, but that's a really good hint that this is going to just simplify to 0. And you also have the B and the not B here and here. So let's multiply out and make sure, but you get A, not A, B, not B, C, C. And then again, those are two instances when these would both be 0, and anything times 0 is always 0. So this would be 0 times C, and that's going to be your final answer, which is just going to be 0.